In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your domain in ClickFunnels. Whether you're revamping your current website or setting up your ClickFunnels pages for the first time, getting your domain set up correctly is crucial for ensuring your site functions smoothly and your visitors have a seamless experience. So let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to navigate to the workspace settings. You can do this from your ClickFunnels dashboard, and once you're there, look for the option labeled Domains. This is where we'll start managing your domains with ClickFunnels. You'll find it pretty straightforward once you get into this section. Once you've landed on the Domains page, you're going to click on Connect Existing Domain. This option is specifically designed for those of you who already have a domain registered elsewhere and are looking to connect it with ClickFunnels. It's a key step in transitioning your online presence or directing traffic to your newly created funnel pages. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your domain details. This is where you need to be a bit cautious. Make sure to input your domain using the www subdomain format. For instance, if your domain is example.com, you'll need to type in www.example.com. Alternatively, if you're working with a custom subdomain, perhaps something specific like funnels.example.com, you can enter it as is without the www. It's important to note that ClickFunnels requires the www prefix for root domains to function properly. This ensures that everything is set up correctly and helps avoid any connectivity issues that could arise otherwise. Remember though, if you're working with a subdomain like blog.example.com, you can skip the www. This step is really about making sure the details match what ClickFunnels needs to successfully link your domain. After you've carefully entered your domain, click on Continue. This will proceed you to the next part of the process. Following that, you'll need to select Add Domain. By doing this, you effectively tell ClickFunnels that you want to link this particular domain to your funnels setup. And there you have it. Once you've completed these steps, your domain should be successfully linked, and you'll be ready to start directing traffic to your ClickFunnels pages. It might take a little while for the changes to propagate, depending on your domain provider's DNS settings, so don't be alarmed if it doesn't happen instantaneously. Just give it a bit of time and you'll be good to go. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Setting up your domain is a fundamental step in building your online space, and now you're equipped with the knowledge to do it confidently in ClickFunnels. Thanks for watching and happy funnel building!